Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is me Gulzar and today we'll be discussing about the integration and its various methods. But before going to the different methods of integration, let us define what actually integration is. We define integration as the reverse process of differentiation, or you can sometimes differentiate it as the inverse process of differentiation or anti-differentiation. What actually the reverse process of differentiation means, if we have the differentiation of x square is simply 2x, that means integration of this 2x is x square. If the differentiation of sine of x is equal to cos of x, since the integration is the reverse process of differentiation, we can write integration of cos of x is equal to sine of x. And we know the differentiation of log of x is equal to 1 by x. That means integration of 1 by x is equal to log of x. So we can conclude from this discussion that integration is the reverse process of differentiation or inverse process of differentiation. That is why sometimes we call integration as the anti-differentiation. I have prepared a chart for you that gives us the clear picture of the integration as the reverse process of differentiation. You can go through this chart, and if we have a differentiation of a function g of x as f of x, that means integration of f of x is equal to g of x, and differentiation of x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 is equal to x raised to power n. That means integration of x raised to power n is x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here we discuss another concept. If we have simply differentiation of x square plus 5, that is simply 2x. Differentiation of x square plus 6, that is again x. And differentiation of x square plus 100, that is again 2x. Differentiation of x square, that means x square plus 0, that is again 2x. Now the question arises, if the differentiation of x square plus 5 is 2x, x square plus 6 is 2x, x square plus 100 is 2x, x square plus 0 is 2x. Now the question arises, what is the integration of 2x equal to? Can we write it x square plus 5 or x square plus 6 or x square plus 100 or x square plus 0? So we in general write x square plus c, because this constant of c may be eliminated by the differentiation. So after every integral we write c, and this c is called constant of integration or simply integral constant. So we came to the conclusion that integration is the reverse process of differentiation or the inverse process of differentiation or simply anti-differentiation. So I have prepared a chart. You can go through this chart, and with the help of this chart we can conclude. Here we have write sine x, differentiation of sine x is cos x. That means integration of cos x is sine x plus c, of course the constant of integration, and differentiation of minus cos x is sine x. So integration of sine x is equal to minus cos of x, and integration of tan x is equal to sec square x. We can conclude that integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. So this is the chart. You can go through and conclude that integration is the reverse process of differentiation. This is all for today, and we'll be discussing about the different methods of integration in next lecture.